Good morning to you all, dear student. So today we will start with new topic, that is government and laws from block 15. Okay. So our aim for today is students will be able to explain the role of laws in a democratic government. Resources required is your resource sheet, worksheet S3, notebook, and your exit content book. So these are the resources that you'll be needing for your class. Now, okay, the keywords that we will use for our class is law. Alright, so this is the keywords that we will learn today. Alright, so let's learn the meaning of what is law. Okay, the meaning of keywords. So in simple meaning of the term, law may refer to the body of binding rules and regulations, costumes and standards established in a community by its legislative and judicial authorities. They are known as law. Okay, I hope now you are clear with the meaning of the keywords. Alright, so here is a question for you. Okay, first of all, what are some rules you follow in school, and why are these rules necessary? Okay, so we know we follow certain rules even in our school, right? So I hope you know the rules that we follow in our school. So why are these rules necessary? All right, what is the importance of these rules and regulation that we follow in our school? So, all right, I hope you get the question. So see, today we will learn, all right, about the importance of laws or rules in a democratic government. So today we are going to learn the importance of how laws and regulation plays in a democratic government. Okay, so the importance of laws and rules we will learn today in our class. So first of all, I want all of you to read this resource sheet, okay? That is government and laws. Alright, I'll read for you guys, okay? Please listen carefully. So you write the following situation on a sheet of paper. You better write in your notebook, okay? Better write in your notebook, alright? You write it down in your notebook, okay? And the given points, okay? Point number 1. People use the mobile phone while driving on the road. Point number 2. Many children below 14 years of age are being employed in factories to work as laborers. Point number 3. Girls in some parts of the country are not allowed to go to school. Point number 4. People are killing tigers and elephants for body parts. Point number 5. The walls of a historical building are being damaged by tourists. So these are the given situation which you have to note it down into your notebook. Alright? So accordingly, I'm gonna ask you a question, okay? So after you are done reading the situation, okay? That is after you are done reading the given points. Imagine, all right, now you have to imagine yourself to be a leaders in democratic government. So imagine yourself that you are a leader in a democratic government. All right, so discuss what problems this situation can lead to, means the given problems, okay, the situation 1 2 3 4 and 5. So discuss what problem this situation can lead to and what the government can do to solve them. And you note down your point on a sheet of paper, or better write in your notebook, okay? So what can you do as a leader to solve the given problems? All right, from the resource situation. Alright, so I hope you are clear with it. Now, uh, here is a problem and a solution, okay, that is given to you. So the problem is when people talk on mobile phone while driving, it leads to accident. So what is the problem when people use mobile phone while driving? Apparently it leads to accident, okay? So solution for that. So what is the solution to that problem? So government can ask police to take fine from those people who are using mobile phone and driving. Alright, so accordingly, how are you going to solve for point number 2, 3, 4, and 5? I'll leave it to you, okay? So you please do on your own. So one example has been done for you, right? Regarding point number 1. Whenever people use mobile phone and drive, it leads to accident. So in order to overcome that, in order to solve that particular problem, the solution to that is government can ask police to take fine from those people, okay, those driver. All right, now let's discuss the activity. All right, so what happens when people talk on a mobile phone while driving? So how does it affect children if they are forced to work in factories? All right, that is point number 2. Or if girls are denied school education. What happens when animals are killed for body parts, like the situation that we have learned, or when historical buildings are damaged? How can you, as a leader of a democratic government, help solve this problem? So all the given questions are based on the situation that is given. All right. So all these questions are related to the situation that we have read. Okay. So what can you do as a leader, all right, to solve the given problems? All right. So you please listen carefully. Okay. So we have learned that using mobile phones while driving can lead to road accidents. All right? And if children are forced to work in factories, it can harm their health and stop them from going to school. Okay? And if girls are denied school education, it would lead to discrimination against them. Okay, because we are not giving the girls equal opportunities to that of the boys. Okay, so we are discriminating the girls. And if animals are killed, they can become endangered. All right, they may extinct. Okay, and historical buildings are our heritage from the past, like the Taj Mahal, right? The Red Fort. Hence, they should not be damaged. Okay, the government can make laws to stop this problem. So, what can the government do? The government can make laws, rules to protect or to stop this problem. Okay, for example, it can pass a law that anybody who employs children in factories will be punished, right? That is one example. Another example can be, okay, police can charge a person, a driver, okay, who is using mobile phone and driving. Police can text them, police can charge upon them with with a punishment of capital punishment, or with some, all right, money, all right, or with some jail terms. Okay, so different things can be done based on the problems that the situation, the problem of the situation that we have read. Okay, so these are some of the examples that I have shared with you here. I hope you get it clear. Now, all right, let's generalize our discussion. Okay, so question here is, why does the government make laws? So why do you think the government make laws? And how does a democratic government make sure people obey laws? All right. So think about the situation, the government that we are following. All right. How does the government make laws in our country? And how does a democratic government make sure that people follows or people obey rules and laws? Okay, now you please listen carefully. See, laws are made, okay, by the government mainly to protect the people from harm. Okay, why laws are made? Why rules are made? That is, rules and laws are made by government to protect the people from getting harm. Okay, if people do not obey laws, what will happen? Then there is a system to punish the defaulter. All right, those who are not obeying the rules. Okay, so the government they punish them. The government ensures that people obey laws, that is with the help of police and courts. All right, so whenever uh, there is thief robbery, right, there is a police to catch them, okay, and then to punish them. And also if somebody committed crime, they are taken to the courts and the judge, they all right, they file a case against them, right? So laws help people to get justice. All right, when something injustice is done to you, what can you how can you fight your rights? That is through laws. Okay, laws help people to get justice. All right, so in a democracy, laws are same for everyone. There is no like since he is boy, since that person is a girl, or since he or she is rich, he or she is poor, there is no discrimination based on that. All right, laws are same for everyone, whether you are boy or girl, whether you are rich or poor. Okay, everyone has to abide the laws. Now the last question for today. Okay, which are some laws that affect our everyday lives? Or what are some laws that affects our everyday lives? Okay, now let me just give you a hint. Okay, let me just give you a brief explanation. Now please listen carefully. See, okay, very common thing. Traffic laws affect our lives every day, as not obeying them will lead to accident. Yes or no? Because of that, we have traffic police in every part of the in every junction of the town. Yes or no? If you happen to go to the town, you will see a traffic police everywhere, right? In every junction. Okay, so traffic laws affects our lives every day. As if we don't obey them, then it will lead to accident. There will be lots of road accident. Okay, so that's it for our class for today. Now things to do. You have to complete your practice question number 7, 8 and 9. Okay, and along with worksheet S3 government and laws. Write 3 rules that you have to follow in school. And question number 2 is, the girl in the picture work as a domestic workers. Why should children not work as domestic workers? What law by the government can stop this? Question number 3, write about one law that you will want people to obey every day. Also write what would happen if they don't follow the laws. Okay, so that is your homework for today. All right, so please do it by yourself, do it sincerely. Okay, okay, that's it. Take care, stay safe and have a good day.